Hi YouTube, welcome to another video. Today I'm going to show you how to make a map choosing system on Roblox, which will choose a random map and teleport you to the map with a timer that will time the game. So I'm going to show you how I made it. I already made this, so I'm just going to tell you how I did it, and I already made the script. So I'll go over each line and tell you what it does. So first, what you want to do, make the status bar. All I did was made a text table, made it big, and yeah, you can customize yours or do whatever you want. And I put just a string value into replicated storage called status, and a local strip. This line 1 this is just getting the replicated storage service, and we're getting the status that's in there, and then saying script.Parent text equals status.Value. So that's what we want to happen. If the status property is changed, then function script.Parent.text equals status.Value. So whatever is the text will be in the value. So yeah. Well, whatever is the status will be the text. Yeah. Same thing. And then after that I put some maps in. I didn't make these. I just got their models. I'm a builder, so I just got this apartment building under school. But you can get any map you want. You can make a map, do whatever you want. And I put spawns in these maps. The school, I made a folder called spawns, and inside there's like a lot of spawns. So there should be enough spawns for the players that I want to play this game. Just randomly place it in different locations of the map. There might be some in this classroom or in gym area. Yeah, there's a few in here. I just randomly place them in random spots. Same deal with the apartment. I placed one on the balcony over here. They're inside. So just keep placing your spawns in your map area and randomly spread them out. I mean, yeah. And I made a map folder in my server storage, and that's where you put all your maps. I made a folder and named it maps and put all your maps in there. And then after that, it's basically just scripting time. I mean, look, server script. So go to service instead of script. I named it map chooser. And I started off by saying local status equals game.GetService :GetService replicated storage. What did I have? Yeah, replicated storage.status. That's the status. So now we know where it is. The script knows. This is a variable. Local gameInProgress equals 10. You'll see what that means later. Local gameOver equals 1. Well, while true do, all to do is a loop. It keeps looping and fit it into infinity. It'll never stop. And that's why it's important to have a wait, so it won't crash your computer. For timer, so this is our intermission right here. So you can make up your intermission. I put my intermission as 5, but I think I would want that to be longer. I just had 5 because I'm for testing. I just didn't want to wait for like so long. But you can make up the intermission or do whatever you want. 15 seconds or so. This intermission. You can do whatever you want. It's not gonna matter. So the first number is the number it's gonna start at, and this is the second number is gonna be where it's gonna stop at, and the -1 is it's going down. If it was a positive, if there was no negative, that's positive. It's going up. It's going 1. It's going 15, and it's going up. No, it's gonna go, yeah. So I just put a negative here. Local maps folder. So I made a maps folder in the server storage, and that's what I'm saying right here. You can name the server storage and maps get children. So I want to get the children of it, which is the map, all the maps that are in it. And I'm saying local random map equals maps square bracket math.random. And then I open one of those circle, just a regular parenthesis. And I set a 1 comma hashtag random map folder and close that off with dailies. And this is why we just want to pick out one map from any of the maps that are in the folder. Just one random map that's in this folder. RandomMap.Parent equals workspace.CurrentMap. I made a map in a folder in the workspace called CurrentMap. That will be the parent of the random map chosen when the game was in progress. So I make a map in a folder in the workspace. Oh, hold on. Hold on. Okay, I'm gonna put a folder in the workspace called CurrentMap or whatever. But just make sure it's the same in the script. And I said local spawns equals randomMap.Spawns GetChildren, because random map is the random map. We don't know what the random map will be. And now we're going to teleport. Local teleport equals spawns map.random 1. So we're going to choose run random spawn for each player or whatever, and out of all the spawns. So when we got to children of the spawns, we know that's in the map. So the children, and we're gonna do one random, yeah. And now we're doing, this is gonna be the teleporting into players. 5 seconds. It's going to count to 1, but count down. And here's the teleporting. Here's the for loop. For I player in pairs, stand up players the players do. Now we're in the players. plr.Character MoveTo. That's a function of the character. Teleport.Position. So that's just saying like teleport to a random spawn.Position. Which is a part. So yeah. 4b gameInProgress. That's a variable up here. We named it 10. So it'll be 10, 0, and it's gonna count by -1 and go all the way to 0. That's why it's good to have variables, so you can just change it right off the top of your script. And here's the text, gameInProgress B, which is the timer, seconds remaining. Concatenate that text, yeah. 4C, gameOver, that's 1. And it'll take 1 second to like destroy the map. Game over. Random map destroy. And then after that, I'll loop back up to the top and keep repeating this process. Let's play the game. I'll leave the script in the description. I think you guys like that. So I made just a makeshift lobby right here, and I got teleported to the map. It's just a random map. See, I got teleported to the balcony, and now it's game over. I got destroyed. It got destroyed. I died. Oh, I died. Yes. It's all working. I think I didn't make it in time. I have to make the intermissions longer. No, I have to make something longer. Let's see. I have to make this like 10 seconds or so. You don't have to do that. You don't have to have the teleport.Players.Map. You can just take out the for loop. Just this part you don't have to have. You can just have game starting and teleport right to the map. That's it. That's how you make a map choosing system. I'll leave the script down in the description below. Thanks for watching. And yes. I'll see you next time. Bye.